Measuring the color of tomato ketchup with 3NH spectrophotometer Y is for 580. First, mount the portable spectrophotometer to the component. Make sure the aperture is aligned with the sample port. Secure the equipment. Place tomato ketchup sample. Select a observer angle of 2 and light source C, then select Hunter Lab color space. One touch, get the result of A divided B. Connecting a micro printer. Make sure the switch is on. The light is green and can operate normally. Now you can print the measurement results you need at any time.